It is just not the concern with education minister. ताचे वयर कोणतरी बापू हस्तक्षेप करता असोचो अर्थ जाता. आणि फायनली प्रत्येक गोष्टीत प्रत्येक बऱ्या वाईट गोष्टीवर चीफ मिनिस्टर जबाबदार असता. त्यामुळे चीफ मिनिस्टराचो आमी निषेध करतात आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर ह्या सरकारचो निषेध करतात.
Parsikar blamed the Director of Education for the delay in appointing teachers and ADIS.
तोच खात्याचो डायरेक्टर जर वरिष्ठां कडल्यान डायरेक्टिव्जाची वाट पळयता आणि आपूण डायरेक्टर आसा हे विसरता आणि आय एम नॉट डायरेक्टर प्रॉब्लेम आय एम इम्प्लिमेंटर अशी जर भावना संचालकान घेतली जाल्यार म्हणजे शिक्षण खात्या सारख्या खात्याचे वाटोळे जावपाक वेळ लागचो ना.
Parsikar said that students of various government higher secondary schools are taken for a ride because of this attitude of the government.
अजून टीचर्स नान काही गव्हर्नमेंट हायर सेकंडरी लेक्चर बेसिस टीचराची तात्पुरती नेमणूक करपाचो प्रयत्न जाला. लेक्चर बेसिस नेमलेले टीचर्स हे सगळ्या चड करून अंडर क्वालिफाईड असतात. लेक्चर बेसिस नेमलेल्या टीचर्सांक खबर आसा हे नवीन टीचर्साची नियुक्ती जाल्ली आसा, सिलेक्शन झाले असा, त्यामुळे केन्नाय ते वतले म्हणून. आणि त्यामुळे स्टुडंट्स इन हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल्स हॅव बीन टेकन फॉर अ राइड बाय दिस गव्हर्नमेंट.
BJP has demanded that this teachers and ADEIS should be appointed by 5th September, Teachers Day.
5 सप्टेंबराक शिक्षक दिन येता. तो आठवड्याभरान आसा. हांगासरल्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान ह्या विशयाचेर ठोस निर्णय घेवचो ताच्या पयलीं. आणि शिक्षक दिना पयलीं एज इट इज टू लेट, इवन अदरवायज बेटर लेट देन नेवर. बेगिनात बेगीन ह्या शिक्षक दिना पयलीं ह्या शिक्षकांच्यो नेमणुक्यो जावच्यो.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Dhananjay Swarnakar for Prudent Media.
The All Goa Fishermen's Cooperative Association has demanded that government should carry out the survey of traditional fishermen and protect their houses. The association will now submit a memorandum stating their demands to the Union Minister for Environment, Jairam Ramesh, who is visiting Goa on Sunday.
With the survival of traditional fishing community in grave danger, the All Goa Fishermen's Cooperative Association has demanded that the government should protect the rights of the traditional fishing community in the state. Secretary of All Goa Fishermen's Cooperative Association said that the houses of the traditional fishermen along the coastline should be protected.
आज ह्या झाडाक लागून आमच्या गोंयच्या कित्येक लोकांक नोटिसीस सर्व जाल्ल्यो आसा, थोडी डिमोलिशनाय स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा गव्हर्मेंटान. आणि आमचो एका ठाम विरोध आसा आणि मागणी आसा की गव्हर्मेंटान आमच्या फिशरमॅन समाजाची जी घरां आसा तांकां आज पर्यंत जी घरां बांदलेली आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक संरक्षण दिवचें म्हणून.
President of All Goa Fishermen's Cooperative Association urged the government to conduct a survey of all the fishermen who are traditionally into this business and ensure that the houses of these fishermen are not affected by the CRZ regulations. He added that the association will submit a memorandum with all their demands to the Union Environment Minister. Minister Jairam Ramesh is visiting Goa on Sunday.
गव्हर्मेंटान कितें करपाचें, सर्वे करपाचें, वाटो सुद्दां ट्रेडिशनल वाटो ज्यो आसात एक्सेस तेंचे लोकांचे जे आसा हेंची सर्वे करपाची, हेची नोंद घेवपाची आणि हेतून हे जो अमेंडमेंट करता तितून तांकां तें संरक्षण दिवपाचें. आणि हे सर्वे करता आसतना लोकल पंचायतीक तेंच्यांनी विश्वासान घेवपाचें. लोकल कम्युनिटीचे लोक जे आसात तांकां विश्वासान घेवपाचें, बाबा तुमचे ट्रेडिशनल वाटो खंयच्यो दिवं म्हणून. ह्या वाटांक तेंच्यांनी संरक्षण दिवंक जाय. आणि आमचे डेलिगेशन हे ऑल गोवा फिशरमॅन असोसिएशन फाल्यां तांकां गांवांत मेळपाचें आहा आणि आमी एक मेमोरंडम ड्राफ्ट केल्लो आसा तो तांकां दिवपाचो आसा.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
Activist Ramesh Kawas has strongly criticized the state government's new draft mining policy. He said that the policy will give free hand to all mining companies in Goa. Meanwhile, Goa Federation of Mines Affected People has condemned Union Government's Environment and Forest Ministry for lavishly granting environment clearances to mining firms. Goa Federation of Mines Affected People has charged Union Government's Environment and Forest Ministry of gross corruption and malpractices to favor the mining companies in Goa. At a press briefing in Panji, the activists mentioned that a mine in Sarvona was granted environment clearance even before environment impact assessment study was completed. Now, Goa Federation of Mines Affected People wants Environment and Forest Ministry to withdraw all environmental clearances.
Goa MAP demands that MOEF withdraws all the environmental clearances given to mining companies and transform Goa into mining free zone. Goa MAP urges attention of Union Minister of Environment and Forest, Jairam Ramesh, currently on a visit to Goa, to take this matter very seriously for the sake of life and to life support system from being destroyed by mining industry.
But Ramesh Gauss, however, came very strongly against on state government's draft mining policy, stating it has many blunders.
Mineral policy is all out to give free hand to all the mining companies by the state government. Mineral draft policy. Yes, draft policy. And there are blunders. Out of 825, all 825 mining leases will be brought under operations. No matter how much problems the people face, state government. No matter how much degradations of the forest, environment, water bodies, agriculture is being done by the mine owners.
Gauss also criticized state mining department and termed it as a rotten thing in Goa. He says the former director of mining department, Mr. Bingi, was sacked for no reason and real culprits are still sitting in mining department. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
The post-mortem report of the 1-year-old Nagraj Kumar Kamtar confirms his death due to drowning, but police are suspecting murder behind the death of the child. They have recorded around 36 statements in this case and the investigation is on.
Dead body of a 1-year-old boy Nagraj Kumar Kamtar was found in a well at Khandiwada, Kurchade on Thursday. Nagraj was sleeping in his house on Thursday morning. Nagraj's parents discovered that their son was missing and shockingly his dead body was found floating in a nearby well. There are many speculations on about this incident. Police Inspector Rohidas Patre told us more about the case.
भयानक दिसता की एक धाकटुलें भुरगें ताका कसलोच खबर ना आनी ताका सुखदुख्ख खबर ना भुरग्याक कोणाचे वाटेक वचप ना वचप ताका कांय खबर ना अशा भुरग्याचें एक बायन मेळप खरेंच वायट अशी गजाल आमचें इन्वेस्टिगेशन आमी चडान चड नेटान दामून धरलां आनी मॅक्झिमम आतां पासून आमी 36 स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड केल्या तरी आमचो प्रयत्न आसा आनीक हेचे परस सुबेज स्टेटमेंट घेवपाचे.
Post-mortem report on Saturday have confirmed the death due to drowning. Police Inspector Nilesh Rane suspects murder behind the death of Nagraj.
भुरग्याचेर पोस्टमॉर्टम केलो. पोस्टमॉर्टमान ताजे कॉज ऑफ डेथ एस्पिशियल ड्यू टू ड्रावनींग इन वॉटर अशें सर्टिफाय जालें. हेजो अर्थ असो जालो की ताका कोण तरी जिवंत व्हरून ताका ते बांयत उडयले आसपाक. सो आतां ह्या एंगलान आमचो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा.
A reporter from Kurchade, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.